take it, baby. Just for you, you know.
This looks so delicious.
Yeah, baby.
I can't wait to try it.
You know how long it take me to make this?
How long?
It's about 3 days, you know, babes.
Really?
3 days of preparation for this, you know. Just for you, you know,
Wow.
babes. That way I say.
Wow. Babe, what is this?
That there?
Yeah.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
It's called Aki.
Aki.
Very exotic, you know.
Really
And
exotic.
I'll find this nowhere except Jamaica, you know, babes.
Are you sure? It just looks like eggs.
Egg?
Yeah.
Babe, don't say them something there, you know. No, it's Aki. It grows on a tree, must about 60 feet tall, you know, babes.
60 feet
Way
tall.
up, yeah.
We're in Jamaica?
Only in Jamaica this grow, you know.
my God.
Yeah, babe, we have to get this import, you know.
How did you bring it?
Yeah, my cousin didn't climb the tree. Him almost dead climbing the tree for this, you know. Yeah, and they shipped it to over. Yeah, babes.
Oh my gosh, it smells so
Yeah,
good.
and I have a thing in there called saltfish.
Saltfish.
Saltfish, yeah.
Saltfish.
Yeah, it's you only find this fish in the waters of Jamaica, you know.
Oh,
babes.
really?
Yeah.
This sounds like a fancy fish.
Very fancy.
Very. And babe, what's this?
Oh, that?
Yes.
It's called plantain.
Plantain.
No, no,
Is
no.
it plantain?
No, 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 no.
I swear it was plantain.
No, no, no. It's kind of like plantain, but it tastes better, right? It's the cousin of plantain. It's called plantain.
There's a cousin?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it only grown in Jamaica, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
How did you bring that over here?
Babes. Yeah, you know, something like that. Chef, you know. What you mean?
You're right.
Yeah, babes.
Baby, how about this? The little hearts are so cute. Dumpling. Oh, so cute. Thank you. You're so sweet.
I love you, you know.
Oh, I love you too, baby. Babe,
Yeah.
what's this?
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's like a rocket ship, you know, see it?
A rocket.
Yeah.
Oh, a
See,
rocket
look
ship.
at
Mm.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why?
We'll see that for later.
Taste.
Yeah, taste it.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much, babe. It looks
anything
so
for you, know.
good. Yes.
Goodie? Yes.
Yes.
See it again.
Yes, babe. Plantain.
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 Tin.
Yes, baby.
Oh, yes. See it again.
Yes.
Oh, see it again.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
So good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Oh, no
babe.
worries, babe.
It tasted. You know what?
Oh, what?
I have something for you.
Yeah?
Yes, I do. I have something for you too. I want to make you something too.
Yeah? What is?
It's a Canadian delicacy.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
What name?
It's called poutine.
What?
Poutine.
Doodle teen?
Babe, it's poutine. Try it, please.
Baby, now I'm not eating none of them poo, baby. What me eat doodle?
No, it's really good. It's really good.
Baby, no, I'm not.
Trust me.
Yo, you know them
Stop.
some name doodle something or poo something. Baby, no.
I'll be sure to have that special dumpling later.
Alright, we can try it still, you know?
How is it?
Can go on still.
The cheese is very, very exotic as well. It's made by these special goats.
It look tough.
Tough cheese, yes.
Oh, that's on you? Oh, thank you, baby.
Oh, you're welcome, babe. Glad you liked it.